Welcome to my channel, I'm Gary Wiryawan, and today, very quickly, I just want to show you how I pack when I'm traveling as a hobbyist photographer using only one backpack. So the reason why I want to make today's video is because recently I started to learn about what people call one bag travel, and I think this concept of one bag travel is very beneficial. Basically, you only bring one backpack when you're traveling somewhere, and with that backpack you have everything you need. And I think this is very beneficial for us travel photographer who frequently goes out and struggling with trying to find a good balance of how to pack our clothes, our equipments with our camera gear. So in today's video I want to show you how I pack my one bag for travel with my camera gear inside. Alright, so this is the backpack that I will bring for my upcoming trip. This is the North Face 31 liter rucksack, and this backpack is quite large. I can fit so many things inside. And we're not going to travel by plane this time, we're just going to travel by car. But nevertheless, I think the principle of using one bag for travel, trying to be minimalist, I think is very important. And by doing that, you'll be able to squeeze more camera gear inside, especially if you're going to do travel photography. I don't plan to do a lot of photography on this trip. I plan to maybe just take a few pictures, nothing much, but nevertheless I still want to spend a little bit time for photography, and I hope that the gear that I'm bringing with me will be able to cover whatever I need during that trip. But anyway, let's see what's inside. I'm going to show not only the camera gear but everything that I pack for my whole trip. So let's just open the bag quickly. And this is everything inside my bag, minus my laptop. My laptop is in the other compartment of the bag, but this is the main compartment, and as you can see, it's a little bit messy right now, but I don't care. I'm able to pack everything that I need, all the essentials in this bag easily. Let's start with these small pouches first. I'm going to start with this guy right here first. This is my Dopp Kit, containing my soap and shampoo, my face wash, my hairbrush, my toothbrush as well, and this is a silicone sink stopper, so I can just put it on the sink and I'll be able to stop the water draining down, and I can use it to wash my clothes if I need to. The Dopp Kit is very basic. This is a free one that I got when I'm flying with EVA Air so many years ago. This is free, so might as well just use it. That's my Dopp Kit. And then this is my secondary Dopp Kit, containing additional face wash, and then my toothpaste, and also a little bit of medication, and also this shaver right here. So yes, that's my secondary Dopp Kit. And then now let's move on to this big pouch right here. This is something that I'm still struggling with on this trip. This is containing everything that I need in terms of electronics for charging device. It has my computer mouse right here, my external drive, my chargers, my cables, my mobile Wi-Fi router, and then also my laptop charger right here. I'm trying to upgrade this and trying to declutter this pouch right here, and I'm thinking of buying a dedicated multi-port charger with laptop charger combined together, so that I don't have to carry all these separate chargers with me. It's very annoying and very heavy right now. So but anyway, this is my electronic pouch right here. Now let's move on to this small pouch right here. This is a pouch containing my sleep essentials. I have right here some earplugs so that I can block noise when I'm sleeping, my chapstick, and then also my face mask so I can block out light when I'm sleeping. This is very important for me, and I always try to carry this pouch with me everywhere I go when I'm traveling. And now let's talk about some clothes. All my clothes are packed inside this packing cube right here. I'm not going to show you what's inside, but basically what I'm carrying with this, I can travel for up to about 1 week with this packing cube right here. It has two shorts, and then I have 2 polo shirts and 2 regular t-shirts, I believe, and then 2 pairs of underwears, and then 2 slip shirts and 1 slip shorts, all inside this packing cube right here. And last but not least, this is the most important stuff. This is all of my photography gear inside this one single sling bag. This is the Alpaca Gear Go Sling Mini Sling Bag. And inside here, this is all of my camera gear for travel. I'm trying to be minimalist this time. If you're a follower of my channel, you might already know that I usually travel with 2 camera bodies. But this time I'm only bringing 1 camera body, and that is my Panasonic GX85 right here with the 20mm f1.7 currently attached to it right now. I brought about 3 additional lenses on this trip. I have the Panasonic 35 to 100mm f4 to f5.6 for my telephoto needs, for maybe a little bit of portrait as well. I also brought with me the Laowa 7.5mm f2 in case I want to do a little bit of astrophotography and also for scenery photography. And I also brought with me the kit lens that came with the GX85, the Panasonic 12 to 32mm, this guy right here, just in case I want something more flexible compared to the 20mm. Also, I brought with me my DJI Pocket 2, this vlogging camera right here, just in case I want to record a vlog of my everyday photography challenge. By the way, you can watch that vlogs over here on the card, somewhere over here. I'm sorry, I'm not really that precise this time, but you can watch my everyday photography vlogs right there. And all of my camera gear is packed inside this bag once again. And also I have my laptop with me on a separate dedicated laptop compartment right here, and this is the Asus ZenBook 13-inch. This is a very lightweight laptop, so it's very important to keep everything lightweight, to keep everything as small and portable when you're traveling, so that you don't bring too much weight and you will not hit that 7kg limit when you're traveling with airplane. With my Micro Four Thirds camera, you'll be able to save on weight and size. As you can see, I can bring about 1 camera body and 4 lenses with me during this trip, no problem, very easily inside a small sling bag. And that really is the benefit of Micro Four Thirds. This is why I'm switching to Micro Four Thirds for travel photography. It's very easy to pack your cameras and multiple lenses without bringing too much weight and eating too much space inside your bag. All of this camera and lenses only weigh about 1 kilogram inside this sling messenger bag right here. And hopefully by doing this video, I hope that I can share a little bit of this philosophy of trying to keep it simple, trying to keep everything that's essential to you only when you travel, so that you can pack minimally and, you know, reduce your clutter and reduce stress when you travel. Just bring whatever essential and have a better experience when you're traveling. And also you can enjoy your trip even more because you're not burdened down by some weight on your shoulders and whatnot. And that wraps up today's video. So hopefully by showing you how I pack with minimalism in mind, you'll be able to do the same too when you're packing for your upcoming trip. So you'll be able to enjoy your trip even more without the heavy burden of your luggage, and you'll be able to pack your camera gear efficiently too for your upcoming travel, for your travel photography, so you can also enjoy your photography hobby when you're going out there somewhere traveling with your family or your friends. And that is all for today's video. I hope that this video is useful for you. Please comment down below what is your favorite camera gear when you are traveling. Also, don't forget to support my channel by liking this video, sharing this video, and subscribing to my channel down below. Thank you and goodbye.